Children, so where go the boards? The first lesson, the first poem in fourth class. Okay, already I explained you this poem. Once again, we have to revise the poem. Okay, where go the boards? In the 11th page, we have to do this homework. Have you ever seen a river? What can you usually see on a river? Fill in the blanks. Okay, what you can see on the river, we have to write here. Okay, so here the differences we have to find out spot 12 differences in this picture. Answer on page 108. Okay, children. So where go the boats? So once again we have to revise the poem. So dark brown is the river, golden is the sand. It flows along forever with trees on either hand. Green leaves, a floating castles of the foam. Boats are mine, a boating, sit down. Where will all come home? On goes the river and out past the mill. Away down the valley, away down the hill. Away down the river, 100 miles or more. Other little children shall bring my boats ashore. So dark brown is the river. So what is the color of the river? Dark brown. So did you see the picture here? So the river, the water of the river is in the dark brown. So golden is the sand. The sand color is in golden color. So whenever we see, whenever we visit that beach side, the sand color is must be in golden color. It's like gold. Sand color is in gold. Dark brown is the river. The river is in dark brown. Golden is the sand. So golden is the sand. So the sand is with the golden color. It flows along forever with trees on either hand. It flows along forever. So what a wonderful sentence line is. It flows along forever. It flows along forever. It flows along forever means what? It keep on goes. Okay, the days will pass, but the river will continue to go fast. It flows along forever. So there is no stop to the river. It will always keep on goes continuously. Okay, year by year, man will come, man will go, but the river will go continue. Okay, మనుషులు వస్తారు, మనుషులు పోతారు. ఓకేనా, but the river will be generations of generations will pass, but the river will be stays forever. It keep on flows forever. It flows along forever with trees on either hand. So by the trees on either hand. So the river has the two hands. The trees will be there on the either hand. So see this picture. The river is there. The trees will be there on the either hand. Green leaves, a floating castles of the foam. Green leaves. So the river has the green leaves on the both sides. We have the green leaves, a floating. The green leaves are floating in the water, with the water along the river. Castles of the foam. Castles means water. Large strong building with thick high walls and towers. Okay. Large strong building with thick high walls, towers built by kings or queens in order. Okay. Foam means what? Very small air bubbles on the surface of water waves. Castles of the foam. Boats of mine, a boating, where will all come home? Boats of mine, a boating, where will all come home? Okay, so on goes the river and out past the mill, away down the valley, away down the hill. On goes the river and out past the mill. Mill means what? A building next to a river. There is a machinery to grind grain into flour. So we also know corn flour. Okay, the mill will flour the what into becomes powder. Okay, the nuts will be made into powder. That is called the mill. Away down the valley. Valley means what? Low land between hills and mountains. So between the mountains, suppose there is a mountain will be there. So the low land. So this land is called what? This green land is called what? Valley. Okay, so away down the valley, away down the hill, away down the river, 100 miles or more. Other little children shall bring my boats ashore. So written by Robert Louis Stevenson. Away down the river, away down the valley, away down the river, 100 miles or more, 100 miles or more, 100 miles or more. So the river will go on 100 miles means what? Basically, okay, 10 kilometers or 100 kilometers, it will miles. Miles means, okay, keep on goes forever. Other little children shall bring my boats ashore. So the little boy, the poet is become a little boy. He is playing with the boats there. So he is leaving the boats in the river. The boats will going along with the river. So he is thinking that other children, whoever found my boats, they bring back the boats to me. Bring back the boats to my shore. So that is the poem. Already I explained you. So I given this work also. 13th page. The poet is standing near a dash, near a river, watching the boats. What is that? Float. So fill it. The poet is standing. So complete the summary of the poem by filling the blanks. Children, river, falling, dark brown, hill, trees, valley, leaves, float, flowing, mill. Okay, we have to complete this. The poet is standing near a dash watching. So answer is river. R-I-V-E-R, river. The boats float. F-L-O-A-T, float. The water of the river is dash color. The water of the river is dark brown. D-A-R-K, dark, B-R-O-W-N, brown in color. Both sides of the river banks are filled with fourth one, trees. T-R-E-E-S, trees. Their dash, leaves, L-E-A-V-E-S, leaves keep falling, F-A-L-L-I-N-G, falling into the waters of the river and float in the water. The river keeps flowing, F-L-O-W-I-N-G, flowing along. It flows past a mill, M-I-L-L, mill, and down the valley, V-A-L-L-E-Y, valley, and then down a hill, H-I-L-L, hill. It covers 100 miles. The poet wonders when the boats floating on the river will come ashore. He wishes that the other children like him will bring them ashore. So once again, complete this Nana. First one is river, R-I-V-E-R, river. So second one is float, F-L-O-A-T, float. And third one is dark brown, D-A-R-K, dark, B-R-O-W-N, dark brown. And fourth one is trees, T-R-E-E-S, trees. Fifth one is leaves, L-E-A-V-E-S, leaves. Sixth one is falling, F-A-L-L-I-N-G, falling. Seventh one is flowing, F-L-O-W-I-N-G, flowing along. It flows past. Eighth one is mill, M-I-L-L, mill. And ninth one is valley, V-A-L-L-E-Y, valley. And the 10th one is hill, H-I-L-L, hill. And this one is children, C-H-I-L-L-D-R-E-N. So children, this is the poem. Most poems have a rhyming scheme. Read the first stanza carefully. Notice the last word of each line. Here they are. River, sand, ever, hand. So now say river and ever. Then sand and hand. Does the sound of each pair words match? Do they end with a similar sound? Yes. So yes or not? So these are called rhyming words. River, ever, sand, hand. Next one. So we give a symbol each sound here. River and ever are represented by the letter A. Sand and hand, the letter B. So the sound pattern of the first stanza is A, B, A, B. Okay, A, B, A, B. So means what? First one is A, second one is B. So here C. Okay, river, ever is coming. So it is called rhyming form, A, B, A, B. Does the sound pattern change the third and fourth stanzas of this poem? Okay. So it will, is there any rhymings here in the second poem? Second stanza. Green leaves, A, floating, castles of the foam, boats of mine, A, boating, where will come home? So foam, home. Here the two rhyming words. River, out past the mill, away down the valley, away down the hill. So mill and hill are the rhyming words. Okay, away down the river, 100 miles or more, other little children shall bring my boats ashore. So here more, shore, ashore are the rhyming words. In the first one, river, ever, and second one is foam, home, and third stanza is mill, hill, and this one is more, ashore. So these are all the rhyming words. Okay children, so once again I am reading poem. Follow. Dark brown is the river, golden is the sand, it flows along forever with trees on either hand. Green leaves, a floating, castles of the foam, boats of mine, a boating, where will all come home? On goes the river and out past the mill, away down the valley, away down the hill, away down the river, 100 miles or more. Other little children shall bring my boats ashore. So read the poem and complete it at me. Okay? Meet you in the next class. Thank you.